Hi y'all, it's Valerie here at Pisces Mountain Farm, and I am here to do my January 2021 Urban Organic Gardener, that came out weird, Urban Organic Gardener Seed of the Month Club. Okay, I'm just going to jump into it. As always, every month they send you a little planting guide. They send you 10 little peat pellets. They send you some markers, plant tags. And they also send you a little baggie like this full of Epsom salt. I've misplaced it out of this month's bag because I opened it in my living room. And so it's in there somewhere. Alright, hold on one second. Alright, I'm sure it doesn't look like it to you guys because I cut it out, but I just had to go let my dog in. Speaking of, there he is. He's chewing on an old glove. Alright, let's get into the seed varieties, and it looks like I've misplaced one of them too. Oh no, there it is. Okay, sorry, I know I look down all the time, but I was just, keep everything, sorry if I'm winded, I keep everything down here on my lap, so that's why I'm always looking down. The first thing I got was this barley grass. And I may try to use that for a couple of different things, actually, so that's interesting. They try to, I know I've said this before, the way it works is you fill out a questionnaire that talks about what your sun is, how much land you have. I think it might even ask, no, I'm not going to go there because I'm not sure, it's been a while since I filled it out, but you fill out a questionnaire. It has a few different questions, and then it sends you seeds based on what would grow in your area. I'm always interested to see what they're going to send in the winter. I mean, this is my first year doing it, but like, it's cold out. It's been cold for months, so I've been getting a lot of greens and microgreens. Okay, this is a microgreen, and it's fenugreek. Now, honestly, I'm not so much into microgreens, so if I grow any of these, I will probably let it just grow to a full-size plant. This is alfalfa sprouts. That is actually cool. I might use that. You know, there's a decent amount. I've got some open ground. I might just put that in as a cover crop. I've got some, I spread some crimson clover already, but I've got a little bit of yellow clover, and I might mix it with that because it's about the same size package. It came from them. Excuse me. And then I might spread it in some more of the land that's exposed. I have some broccoli sprouts. And they give you, I mean, when you get sprouts or greens, you get more than if you're just getting like some, I don't know, broccoli that's not a microgreen, for instance. And then oh, here's some clover sprouts, so even more clover. So I might mix that with the yellow clover and the alfalfa and just do like a ground cover. Well, that concludes my Urban Organic Farmer Seed of the Month Club for January. I'm getting excited to see what they're going to start sending in the warmer months. Because I started this in like August or September. I think I got my first one, so it was already starting to get into those fall vegetables, so I'm really excited to see what I'll be getting whenever it starts to get warmer. I will leave a link down below, and just to make it easier for you to find. You know, I don't have enough subscribers to be sponsored, so it's not a sponsorship. It's not like I'm not getting any money for it. It's literally just to make it easier for you to find. Alright, thanks for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.